Alright, so attempt 2 of driving the Mustang. Long story short, we figured out the rear defroster works and the front one doesn't. So I had to wipe down the whole windshield with my hand. Made it to the gas station. Oh, Jesus. The seatbelt's fighting me. Why is it? Go in. Oh. Alright. So, made it to the gas station, filled up. It cost me like $45 to fill up, which kind of sucks, but that's okay. But here we go. Uh-oh, we stalled. Whoops. Come on, bro. Oh, brakes. Come on, I'm going that way. Come on. Alright, nobody hit me. Oh. Alright, we're going. Alright, gotta turn the wipers back on. Oh, this is so much more work than just getting in my car. Oh, jeez. It would help if the defroster actually worked. I have it set on low, but I feel like it's doing nothing. Go around turns. Oh God, something's rattling underneath. It's probably that little clamp that I put on to hold the exhaust together. We made it to 5th. So all the gears work. Oh God. I almost went into a guardrail. Hit like a little patch of water. Eyes on the prize. Alright. Does not like 5th gear. I kind of want to live. Oh. Started pulling me off the road. Alright, I know a little road I can turn around on. So we're going to do that next. Oh, shoot! I think my terminal came loose again. Oh, yeah. My odometer's going off and stuff. Alright. Oh, no. Alright, we got to get home. This dude's probably so mad at me, like, why are you driving so slow? I just pray to God when I slow down it doesn't, like, cut out. Jeez. That rattling. I really hope that that's the exhaust clamp I put on it. Oh, jeez. Oh, yep. I think she died. Oh, yep. Oh, no. Uh-oh. Hazards. Where's my hazards? We're just going to move to the side. Please go around me. Why did she die again? Oh my gosh. I knew this was going to happen. Come on. Oh, something's burning. Oh, jeez. We might have to get rid of this thing. Woo! Okay. Alright, put it in gear and go. Something's jiggling. It doesn't sound good. Oh. Yeah. It really doesn't sound good. Okay. Oh, something's burning. But our temp is fine. I don't get it. Alright, we're gonna go up this hill and try to take a left. Oh god. Am I smoking? I hope not. I can't really tell. It smells like something's burning. Alright, here we go. Turn. Oh. The only thing I can think it is the starter. Because my cousin put that in. And it's kind of right up there. Hope that's not it though. Because at this rate, we're going to need a new starter. Oh, she died again. Oh, God. Alright, just keep giving it gas. Oh, someone's coming. Oh, this is a sharp turn, too. Okay. Jeez, this guy's taking forever. Is he turning? I'm going for it. Oh, that didn't sound good. Alright, we just gotta make it home. And then back in the garage this thing goes. Whoa. Oh geez. Alright, coast it. Literally all we gotta do is make it home with no stops. Which, thinking about it, there's like 2 stop signs. We can avoid the red light. Oh god, that sounds so bad. The less gas you give it, it goes away. Oh god, I think we're in 2nd gear. Oh, there's a bicyclist. Oh no, it died on me. Oh no. Oh god. Alright, you know what? Just leave it in 2nd gear. I want to go to 3rd, but... Alright, as long as we keep up with RPMs, we're good. I'm gonna chill in 3rd gear. God. This thing sounds atrocious. I hope we can make it home. The good news is temperature's fine. Oil pressure hasn't moved. Oh shit. Oh, it's bogging. I died. Oh god. Coast it. Start. We're gonna have to see if we can make it. Oh god. It's gotta be my terminal. It's the only thing I can think of. Oh god. I'm gonna see if I can. I'm trying to move out of the way. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, people aren't too happy. Oh yeah, she's smoking. Shoot. Oh, she's smoking pretty good. Gosh dang it, we almost made it. Like, town's like 5 minutes away. Oh boys, pretty sure we just blew the motor. Calling a tow truck. We're getting out of here. Oh boy. This is how the Mustang made it home. Time for a motor swap. I'm pretty sure it's blown. Jeez. Alright guys, so just a little bit of an update. Got the Mustang all towed home. Now, when I broke down, pulled into this parking lot, tried to crank it, click, nothing. So I had someone try to turn the crankshaft. Wasn't turning, smelled a lot of oil. So we thought the motor was blown. So I got it towed. I was like, sweet, I'm gonna have to swap it with something because I ain't gonna fix the V6. So I just got it home. Tow truck dropped it off in the driveway. He's like, just try to start it up real quick. He put the jump pack on it. It started cranking. It was moving. So I don't know. I don't know if it's cranking and it's moving. So I don't think it's blown. He was saying it could be like a crankshaft position sensor or something that just blew out. That's where all the oil's coming out. But oil's coming out of somewhere. I'm gonna check the oil in the morning. See how it's looking. Hopefully it's not metallic or anything. You could hear it in the video. It was definitely probably knocking, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Worst case scenario, we get a new motor, V8, be sweet. Best case scenario is something simple. Probably not going to be something simple, but something that I can fix, start up, won't give me any more issues. But definitely not going to drive that far again until we know it's going to not leave me stranded. But that's going to end today's video. I'm going to edit the video right now, upload it. I got a lot of stuff to do. It was raining all day, of course, and yeah. So like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you want to see with the Mustang now. Of course, we got to fix it up, but we're going to need to, figure out what's wrong with it first. So thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.